Welcome to the AWS Report. I'm Jeff Barr. My guest today is Misha Govshteyn of AlertLogic. Welcome.
Thank you, Jeff. Pleasure to be here.
So tell me a bit about AlertLogic and how you guys decided to go into the cloud.
We're a software as a service company, and we've been doing software as a service for a number of years. And the specific area that we focus on is security. So we've been helping security companies deliver security services for over 10 years now, have always been multi-tenant. So we had a lot of elements that you see in cloud environments in our DNA for a number of years.
So when your customers come to you and ask about cloud security, do they ask you about just security in general, or do they ask about specific kinds and types of security threats?
They're trying to get basics done, and primarily because there's a lot of security products out there, and they rely on a fairly aggressive toolkit to secure their on-premise environments, right? You can buy all sorts of security products, and usually they do. I mean, there's a term for that. It's called defense in depth. That's harder to do in the cloud. Most products have not been redesigned to serve cloud customers yet. There's fewer choices, so the basics, right? How do I do intrusion detection? How do I do vulnerability assessment? How do I do log management and web application firewalling? These are kind of basics, blocking and tackling tasks that every security guy can do on premise, but they're having a harder time doing in the cloud. We help them do that.
Now, do you address customers who have concerns about the level of cloud security? People have heard that perhaps the cloud can't, might never, ever be secure?
You know, I think we do it in two ways. One is that our goal is to help customers understand we can help them achieve security outcomes pretty much in any environment, whether it's on cloud or on premise. Specifically, our products are really good for cloud environments, so that's where we have a natural strength. But at some point, we looked at it and said, you know, we have a lot of customers, right? We have about 2,500 customers. I would say 70% of them are cloud or hosting customers, right? So they've made that step where they take their infrastructure, move it to a provider of some sort or a cloud environment. But then we have some on-premise customers as well. That's about 30% of our customers. So what we wanted to do was put the whole notion of cloud being insecure to the test and see what the data tells us.
So you've actually dug in and looked at the data, and you've discovered that the cloud is actually more secure.
Yeah, we've done this about 3 different times. So this report comes out every 6 months, and every 6 months it pivots a little bit, and we see slightly different trends. And we keep on digging deeper into it and trying to figure out if there are differences between these environments. What are the differences? And again, what we're seeing is that in most cases, people actually do get more control over their environment to get more secure when they move into cloud environments.
Let's dig a bit deeper into your product. When I hear security product, I'm never quite sure what I'm going to get. Is this something I launch, something I install? How do I actually go about setting this up to run in my environment?
So there's 4 products that we deliver, but I'll single out one of them. That's the one that we launched first, and that's the intrusion detection product. What you get is an Omni from AlertLogic that becomes your monitoring appliance, so you can monitor all network traffic. You also get agents you can install on all of your cloud instances. We're an Amazon Marketplace and have been ever since launch. It was fun being part of the launch and getting that process rolling for us. But at this point, customer can literally go to Marketplace, sign up for our service. Within about 20 minutes or so, they're a functional customer, they're ready to go.
So no more really long sales cycle, just go to the Marketplace, find it, click, away you go.
Absolutely. And the customers that we've gotten from Marketplace have surprised me. I mean, we've gotten anybody from government agencies, which traditionally have not considered AlertLogic because we are a cloud security company and they just don't want to send their data to us. They're much more comfortable if they're an Amazon customer to send data to us.
Where do you see this going over the next, say, 6 to 12 months?
You know, I think over the next 6 to 12 months, we're still going to be doing a lot of basic blocking and tackling. And by that, I mean enabling traditional security services to be deployed in Amazon and other cloud providers. The next service for us is what we call Web Security Manager. That's a WAF that we're going to deploy in Amazon environments, and I think that's going to be the next thing. But I think at some point we're going to start looking at it and saying, how do we deliver services that are actually built for cloud customers?
Well, I really appreciate you taking the time to come by and speak with us.
Thanks for having me.
My pleasure. This has been the AWS Report, and I'm Jeff Barr.